Hello everybody, welcome to Old Handyman channel. I'm Brian. So today I have a water softener and I was looking at the maintenance schedule on it, and it's supposed to be done every 6 to 12 months, and I've been here 8 years and I just put salt in. It's been working good. So anyway, I'm going to tear into this and see what we can do about if I need to do some maintenance to it, do some cleaning, put some new salt in it. It's really low, so I'll show you. So I'm taking a broom handle right now. I'm poking down into the salt to see if it's kind of honeycombed. It's kind of hard to really tell. It doesn't go in very good. So what I do is I do this for a bit, and then I decide to get a number 10 can, metal can, and start digging it out to see what's going on at the bottom. I eventually get it down, drain the water out. It's a little dark. Okay, so hopefully you can see this. That bucket didn't last for long. I broke it already. Okay, got me a can. So it says you're supposed to be able to put a broom handle down here and clean out the honeycomb. And I don't know. I'm thinking I can save the salt as long as it's not open. Uh, yeah, I'm going to have to take off this hose, I think. Figure out how to do that. So this is probably the main wire that makes it work. So how this works here. It's just a water tube. Okay, that'll work. Okay, I'm going to see if I can tip it up without messing it up. Certainly don't want to do that. Now that salt's kind of getting wet, so I need to put it in another bucket. So that's what it looks like down in there. We get a flashlight. So yeah, there's some honeycomb going on. You know, I'm kind of draining the water out to the drain here. And it don't look too bad. So I'm going to get this water out. I don't know if you can see down in there. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can get this stuff out and see what I can salvage of it. And then I'll throw the bad stuff away and put the good stuff back in. So let's take this lid off. Pardon the light here, it's not really good. Anyway, so yeah, it's probably about maybe 18 inches up. So I don't know if this is going to work very good doing this video, but we'll give it a try. So I kind of got an old ice cream bucket. And I got my 5-gallon bucket. Let's scoop this stuff out. So it's running out of there a little bit into the drain. So anyway, I'll try to get that big stuff out of there. And then we should be good. I can put this other back in. So you can get this all flushed out. Rinse it off. We should be good. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and think about subscribing so you can see the next one. Thanks. Bye. Hello, everybody. It's a few days later, and that water softener is working great now, so I didn't have to do a whole lot to it. But I'll keep a better eye on it. So there'll be one coming up, me doing the water heater. You're supposed to flush them out every once in a while, so I'll be doing that soon too. So, hey, talk to you later.